Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix home screen layout locked on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see currently, I cannot move anything on my home screen, even this perfectly centered clock, because the layout is currently locked. So, in order to actually unlock it, we have to go to settings, scroll a little bit until you'll find home screen, and if you scroll here, you can see lock home screen layout. We can simply disable that, and as you can see now, we can move our applications freely. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.